it's Phil from parkerlings.com. I hope it finds you well today. Now, today I'm going at long last to my parents' house. We're here for Easter dinner. Of course, I love that, a nice roast lamb. But I'm also here to look through Mum's garden and show you how it is. Now, as always, it looks beautiful. So let's take you around, shall we? So here we go. Hello.
Hello.
As I say, absolutely gorgeous. That's the Acer that was at my house, or one of them. As you can see now, the leaves absolutely gorgeous. So we've not had that horrid weather. It's not got the cold get into it, so it's not all crusty as it was. It's absolutely beautiful. There's always something climbing up here. So we've got roses there at the moment. Forget-me-nots down here, which strangely enough are the things I always forget the name of. Today I have not forgot. So, again, it was in my garden. Some magnolia there. All the flowering is finished now, it's the leaves that come out afterwards. It's one of those strange ones where you actually get the flowers first and then the leaves. And yeah, that's over there. Here we are. That's the other one. It's done really well, nice and soft the leaves. I absolutely adore these, so soft like bunny's ears. I've got tulips just finishing off there. Lots of lemon balm, like a little mattress there of lemon balm. Lovely smell. But yeah, so the tulips time to start finishing off now, so you can tell they were lovely before. More forget-me-nots in there. The irises. There we go. And the blueberries already have flowers on them, so should do well out of that. If you look up here, isn't that lovely? All the way around there's something. And this is gorgeous. The green and the reds there. That little stool there. And if you look closely, frog says Mum's garden. So let's carry on then. Just got this one. Absolutely lovely. Very bright. Of course, out here we have freesias. Lovely yellow. Then we have some pink. Okay, and around. Let's go this way. Bird bath there. Got this for Mum for Christmas here. Some metal flower. I can't remember exactly what that is, a strawberry something. But that'll come out absolutely lovely. There's loads of flowers about to come out there. They've got a bit of everything in here as well. If you look right down, that's a tulip as well. There's berries in here looking great. I used to have one of these, but I somehow managed to kill it off. I have no idea how I did that. Down here, it's clematis. That will go all the way around here. Once that's ready. And down here, got bleeding heart. Again, something that I've got in my garden as well, but Mum's is ahead of mine a little bit. Gorgeous colour. Just planted some raspberry and it spread all over the bed. And some more forget-me-nots. And let's see, this is the kind of lilac we have here. It's just about to bloom. As we'll see here, got a couple already doing so. Bluebells and things, and yeah, down here, very nice. As always, there's always something happening. Oh, look at that. That's the stand that I had working on. There's those fuchsias. Going really nicely, so they'll have to be separated soon enough. I do love this little stand here. So down here, again, this is some of the purple broccoli that I grew and gave to Mum, and down here, something at all of that. Now, strangely enough, you think it might have been squirrels. Well, pretty sure it was. Very odd indeed. But we're going to get some nice yellow flowers out of here very shortly, which look very good. And the bees will love that. So down here we've got some sweet peas, which should come up this little trellis thing here, little teepee. But here's some more iris. We've got this all over. There's a hollyhock there just about to come through. Here's one of the other garden friends. We've got some more roses and things about to soon come. But look at this, how about that for beauty? Just everywhere. This is quite a large plant, as you'll see. Picture of Mum with that as well. Now here we go. This is the lilac. Rather nice. Most of that is now open. Mine's not that far yet. Mine is only just at the bud stage. Like the first one I'll show you. But yeah, you see the other side now. And of course, even more. Not sure quite what we've got in there. It's interesting, I'm sure. And we're back to the blueberries. And as you'll see, we'll pop around here. Mum does exactly the same as me. She doesn't use Coke bottles though. She uses bottles. 4 pints in every one of them. Just over a couple of litres each. So, it goes very well. Saving water. Great for the environment. You're not using tap water, so it's better for the plants as well. But that is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? You always hear, not sure if you can, there's always sounds of the birds. There's got sparrows and unfortunately pigeons, which seem to like attacking that bird feeder there. They actually go to it, fly right into it and knock things onto the floor, and then they get you from the floor. Very weird things, pigeons. Very lazy, very stupid, I think. But there you go. That's Mum's garden. Oh, no, I missed that. There you go, bit of bay leaf. So here's the front garden then. Just shut the gate there. Which of course Mum has just fixed. Done a very good job there. And Dad's doing painting all the tops. Talking to Mum, there she is again. Hello. Hello. These are everywhere. These lovely. These little mascara go everywhere. Oh. Bye. Bye bye. Gonna do some work in someone else's garden. So she doesn't do enough in her own, she does lots everywhere else. Yeah, what's that?
I said and with a backache.
Oh, well done. That's a true gardener. Bye bye. So that's what I mean. She does all of this work in the garden here, looking absolutely gorgeous. And she still has time to go to other people's gardens, so true gardener there, true green fingers. Just pop around. There's some more calla lily again down there. Mum did tell me what these things are sometimes, but I do forget. But I think that's clematis, I think it is at least. Yeah, pretty sure. But this is the one thing we have no idea what it is. We thought it was a weed, but it came back again after being removed mainly, so maybe it is. Good to know if you know. So we've got the mascaris up there as I was showing you, but this here goes all the way around. It's quite a nice purple flower by the end. That goes all the way around there, and then all the way down here, It's just a big carpet of purple by the time that's finished. It seems Mum got these from my garden at some point, I think. And the problem with these is they have so much green, you can't see anything else. So in my garden it works well because there's not a great deal there at the moment. In Mum's it takes a few things, but doesn't matter, you know you're there. A beautiful tulip. Lovely pink. It's a bit of everything in the way of colour. So I've got the red there. But what most people don't have is this. A black tulip. Very deep purple, of course. There isn't really a black in the garden, but yeah, lots of it still. Aren't they beautiful all together? Don't normally see them all in a bunch like that. You're going to have some aquilegia there, I think. Got some more roses coming through. Forget-me-nots which get everywhere. It's around here. More tulips. I have to say these are some of my favourite ones. Get out. They're some of my favourites. And that is what I call beautiful. Peter got the car in the background, do apologise. Can't know anything about that. But this goes all the way along the wall here. That is absolutely amazing. Great colour all the way across. That's what spring's all about. And look at this down here. We still have some, still doing well, even in April. Towards the end of April here now, we're doing really well. Or towards the, well, it's actually the middle of April, so now. So this will be a poppy going through here. Again, my favourite fluffy. Even got a little tree in there. And yeah, gorgeous. That is so striking, that pink in there. That's striking. And it's relatively new as well. And very nice. The range of colour in this garden is amazing. Again here, that is amazing. Not just a little single one like you normally get. It's 1, 2, 3, yeah, there's a good 3 layers in there. It's lovely. Got a couple more going around here. Even more happening. And this will come out, this one, which I never remember. Clematis General Sikorski. Interesting name. But that will be going up there and up there, all the way across to down here. But here's the purple flower which will go all the way across the garden. Can you imagine that? Literally just going all the way around there to there. Absolutely brilliant. I did have a cutting for my garden as well, and it has spread all over the place. It's very easy to move around the garden there. And how about this for beauty? White freesias. There's more to come, but that is a lovely, lovely flower. And again, more tulips. So as you can see, there's a lot of work to the garden, an awful lot of work. There, beautiful. And look who's that. Hello, Dad.
Hello, Sam.
Oh, good. Just show Mum's garden.
Have a cup of tea?
Oh, there's always time for a cup of tea.
I'll make it now.
I'll have coffee though, please. Ah, yes, please.
One tea flavoured coffee coming up.
Yes, always a man for a joke. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this little tour of my mum's garden. As you can see, she does an awful lot of work on it, and she even looks at 3 other people's houses. She's just off to one as she's still there. She's going to be doing their hedge, trimming that down a bit, and it's going to look beautiful, I'm sure. There's 3 ladies that basically can't do the work themselves, so she does it for them. She's kind to do that, and obviously it's a true gardener who can go around and help others as well as doing her own work, so absolutely lovely. That's my mum, what can you say? But I hope you enjoyed this little video of going around the garden, and always do every time I come, but this is always probably the best time of the year. Nothing else happens, and all of a sudden you got all of these flowers coming up at once. So I hope this was good for you, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. With that, God bless, have a good day, bye bye.